What's up, YouTube? Back here in the garage. Figured I'd do a little unbox. Yeah, this blade right here. So here we got the last bit of flake for my engine bay. So we're gonna spray that today. This is a snow cone. It's a local paint company. Paint Huffer Metal Flakes. Spoke with them, and we came up with this little color combo. So Danny D Ghost Flake series and snow cone is what we're going to be working with. So let me set this GoPro up and show you how I mix this in. For my clear coat, we're just going to be using some Doopy color. Clear coat, gloss clear. That's not going to be my final clear. I'll show you what I do with my final clear to just get like a really beautiful shine. So let's start mixing paint and flake and go from there. The best part about this Doopy color is it's already pre-mixed, so I don't know how much flake I want, so we're just gonna wing it. Start with that seems like a lot right there. It's half. All of you auto body guys are out there probably cringing at this right now. Allen key to mix it up, but DIY, you know, do it yourself. Do what you can with what you can. It's the best way to learn. Don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to do it. Beautiful. So here's my engine bay. You can see got some prismatic flake going on. Yeah. This is definitely gonna add some accent to it. You'll see a lot more color, a lot more shine, a lot more pop. We're just gonna mix the flake in with the clear and then spray it and clear it, spray it, clear it, and then buff it out. Yeah. So So let's get to it. Yeah, coming out nicely.